Hi, this is Johnny Shannon from Geospatial Insights, and here we are with another ERDAS Imagine quick tip. This time we're going to be looking at Spatial Modeler, obviously, but we're going to see how we can reuse parts of a model that you've already created in a new model, and hopefully that will up your efficiency and productivity. I've got a bit of data here, and it's got values between minus 0.009, something like that, up to 0.03. I'd like to rescale these values to maybe between 0 and 1. And so I created a spatial model that does just that. Here we go. I've done this quite a few times now because I forget which model that I use the rescale bit in. I lost it, and so it would be useful if I could package this up and have it easily available to use in a new model. And that's exactly what we can do. What we need to do is create a user operator, and the way we do that is to create a little submodel. And so we want to create a submodel with all the calculations that do the rescaling in. And so if I just select that, like that, and then we create a submodel, and there we go. There's a little bit more work to be done because we've got a raster input here and a preview output here, and everything within the spatial model to go to a user operator needs to have ports attached to it. In best Blue Peter style, here's one I created earlier. We got the raster import, 2 minimum value, 2 maximum value, and the rescaled output. And then if we have a look in here, then exactly the same calculations going on there. So that's all easy enough. Once we have that, we want to click on the Share group in the Spatial Model tab and click on Add to User Operators. Give it a name. I'll give it a new name just to show that something different has gone on. And then we click OK. And then if we have a look down here at our user group, then we've got Rescale 3, which I've just used. And so if I want to rescale this data, then all I have to do is to create a new spatial model. I'll drag that raster data in, I'll drag the rescale in, and then hook it up to a preview, like that. Minimum value is 0, maximum value is 1, and click on preview. And now we've got values all positive and decimal 0.1 through to decimal 0.567 around there. And so we've successfully rescaled that data between 0 and 1. And that user operator will be there whenever I need it now. And so I'll never lose my rescale calculation again. I hope that's useful. If you have any queries, just get in touch with us at support@geospatial-insight.com. But in the meantime, thank you very much, and we'll see you again soon.